Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Goodreads profile. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to goodreads.com. Now, if you want to share your own profile, just go ahead and go to the top right. And here we have the profile option. Just go ahead and click on it and click on profile. Once done, just wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and click on the URL box right here at the top. Right click on it and hit on copy. All right. So I'm going to open up another Goodreads account right here, like this one. And then I'm going to paste this on another tab. Hit on enter. And as you can see here, I am currently friends with this account. And if not, you can go ahead and click on add friend right here. That's easy it is to share your Goodreads account. Now, if you want to share other people's Goodreads account, for example, I'm going to go ahead over to the profile page right here. This is my own profile, all right? So I'm going to go ahead over to my friends list. Now I can go ahead and click on the link right here at the top, hit on copy and send it wherever I want. That's basically how you do it. Now, if you wanted to share an author's profile, just go ahead and click on search books right here. Now, for example, I'm going to type in Robert Kiyosaki. All right. I'm just going to click on a book, wait for it to load. And I'm going to scroll down and click on Robert T. Kiyosaki profile right here. Now I can go ahead and copy the link, right click on copy, and I'm going to send it to another person. For example, this account right here. I'm going to open up a new tab and hit on paste, hit on enter. And as you can see here, I'm being landed to the author's profile. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.